Ubisoft, THQ's Black Forest, and Sloclap. Our next guests worked at all of these esteemed studios, among others, including The Division, Tell Me Why, Jusant, and also Rematch, who everyone is talking about.
Starting at Ubisoft, I realized that the complexity was over the roof. I still remember everything of that moment, by the way. So sometimes it's just you play the game and you profile specific things. I wouldn't ever recommend to profile everything at once, like GPU, CPU, memory, blah blah blah. After a couple of years at Ubisoft, I was like, okay, AAA industry, it's an ecosystem.
What's the most overlooked part of building a solid UI system in games?
Oh, UI is always overlooked to me. The Last of Us 2, they made like a pinnacle of accessibility in UI, but also the game altogether. I spit on the face of everybody's that has strong belief about how AI is going to replace QA.
So as a game architect, how do you scale a game from being a prototype to a full-on production?
Oh, that's a very interesting question, actually.
And on that note, what do games mean to you?
Oh, existential crisis there. But at the end of the day, it's what you do that matters.